Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork buns. First, combine all-purpose flour, active dry yeast, a bit of sugar, and warm water in a large bowl. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a floured surface. Knead for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover, and let it rise until doubled in size, which usually takes 1 to 2 hours. Next, let's prepare the savory pork filling. Dice about 1 pound of pork shoulder into small half-inch pieces. In a bowl, marinate the pork with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a half teaspoon of 5-spice powder. Heat a wok or large pan, then sauté minced ginger, garlic, and chopped green onions until fragrant. Add the marinated pork and cook until it's tender and the sauce has thickened, about 15 minutes. Now it's time to assemble our pork buns. Punch down the risen dough and divide it into 16 to 18 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a 3.5-inch round wrapper, making the edges slightly thinner. Spoon about 1.5 tablespoons of the pork filling into the middle. Carefully pleat and seal the dough to form a traditional bun shape. Steam the buns for about 15 minutes until they are fluffy and cooked through. Your delicious homemade pork buns are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, perhaps with a side of chili oil or a light soy dipping sauce. They make a fantastic snack, appetizer, or even a light meal. For more culinary adventures and to explore new recipes, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Leftover buns can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days and reheated by steaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.